Here we are, Mountain View carpet cleaning, doing a urine problem. So this area here, we already kind of saturated with the product. We extracted it once. Still want to flush it out. We checked for if this had a moisture barrier pad on it. It does not. What you do is just pull up the air conditioning register, and you can kind of see if it's got the pad, you know. So what you do, want to extract this. As you can see, there's a big urine spot. Then you want to flush it out of it. The pad's basically a sponge. You can see all the urine coming out of there. See all the brown? That's key. And what happens is some guys, they'll say, oh, we'll just put an enzyme on there. Well, urine's sticky. It's going to draw dirt to it. You're better off just getting it out of there, you know. You see that? So what this is doing is compressing the pad, pulling it out of the pad, pulling it out of the backing of the carpet. And of course, you can buy these attachments, but if you hook them up to little machines, they're kind of worthless, you know. We got the biggest machine, ProChem Everest 650. We got it maxed out, so it's got tons of heat, 260 degrees, 18 inches of lift. Lift is vacuum, and that's what you want, is a strong vacuum. The wind must have picked up. See that? Heat. So what we'll do is we'll go over this a couple times and flush it out to where there's no more color coming out of it, and call it good. And then you'll actually be able to stick your nose right in there and you will not smell urine, because obviously the urine's extracted. Mountain View carpet cleaning, if it ain't steaming, it ain't cleaning.